Hi guys, today I'm going to be discussing how to import data into the daily book. After opening a day in the daily book, first click the refresh button located on the top right corner. Now import by closing date. When you click refresh, a window will appear with two import options, by closing date or by manual date. You should normally use by closing date. The manual date method should only be used when the system has not received the closing information. To import by closing date, click by closing date. At the top, you will see the most recent closing date. Select the desired date and click Save. The system will import all data for the selected date into the daily book page. Import by manual date. If you do not see any date in the closing date tab, you can use manual date method. To import by manual date, select the start date and time, then select the end date and time, and then click Save. The system will import the data for the selected date and time range into the daily book. And there you have it. And that's how you can import data by closing date or by date manually. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next videos.